walking. So what we're dealing with this morning is although that moisture is slowly lifting its way eastward out of central Indiana, but we're still under this cloud deck. We still have a little moisture that we can tap into this morning. So that's translating into some very light snow showers. So light, not even being able to be picked up on the radar picture. But just know if you're going to be out and about early this morning, we're dealing with these colder temperatures and certainly the potential of some slick spots and black ice. One of those situations where if you're driving along the road, looks like it's probably wet, it's probably been treated, right? Wouldn't take that chance. Just treat it as if it is a solid sheet of ice and allow extra time for your travels. 21 degrees for your morning drive will get you into lunch hour. There will still be some slick spots as temperatures remain below freezing. In fact, we're not going to get above freezing today. We hold steady in the 20s, and then by the time we get into your evening drive, another round of light snow is going to be a possibility. We'll get to that timeline in just a second, but first, take a look at these wind chill values. This is what you're going to be walking outside to this morning. 8 degrees in Crawfordsville. Feels like 10 in Indianapolis right now. In Muncie, just 13. Future Track 13 shows us this morning's cloud deck will continue to work its way out. We will keep a mainly cloudy sky with a little sunshine through the lunch hour today. So we have several dry hours where we're not going to be concerned with snow. And then here comes this cold front. This boundary will sweep through right in time for the evening drive. A few light snow bursts will be possible, and then the sky clears. And this is where that cold air really takes over. After about midnight tonight, these numbers are just going to plummet. We're talking wind chill values already by midnight dropping below zero, and that dangerous wind chill really taking over come this time tomorrow. We're going to be monitoring wind chill values through the entire state, ranging from 20 below to 10 below, so a dangerously cold morning. This snow exits again. The sky clears overnight. We'll wake up with single-digit air temperatures tomorrow, but at least the sky does stay mostly clear through our Friday afternoon. Daytime highs are back in the teens. Stays much colder, but at least it will be a bright day. This is our next weather system, and we're going to be dealing with a series of these clipper systems that come through. A little moisture, not going to drop a ton of snow, but potentially up to an inch, and possibly slightly higher spots. That's going to come through late Friday, so enjoying the sunshine, even though it will be cold with a chance of some light snow moving in Friday night. That moves out Saturday morning. Another round of light snow comes in Sunday night, and then Monday, a wintry mess as we're back to 35. But a lot of ups and downs in this forecast as we're back to 5 below as we start next Wednesday.